model, 2019 Plate Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 Professional L3H2 Blue Hdi Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 72,804. Engine, 1997 cc BW10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a rattle. We suspect it's down on compression on a cylinder, still starts and drives fine. Check engine light on the dash. Cylinder 2 misfire. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking.